In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your German tax information and packaging compliance details in Etsy Shop Manager. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Etsy Shop Manager. Make sure you're using the account connected to the shop you want to update, since these settings apply at the shop level. Once you're inside Shop Manager, you'll be working in the area where Etsy stores your financial and legal business information. Next, go to the Finances section and click on Legal and Tax Information. This is the part of Etsy where you can manage important tax details for your business. Take a moment here to review the page carefully, because even small mistakes in tax entries can affect how your shop is handled for buyers in certain countries, especially within the European Union. Once you're on that page, enter your German UST ID NRS, which is your VAT ID number or your tax number, depending on what applies to your business. Be sure to type the number exactly as it appears on your official tax documents. It's a good idea to double check the format before saving, since tax identifiers need to be accurate and up to date. If you're copying and pasting, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the number. After that, upload your German Lucy registration certificate. This step helps show that your business complies with German packaging laws, also known as Verpack-G. Etsy may use this information to confirm that your shop meets marketplace requirements for selling to customers in Germany. Before uploading, make sure the file is clear, complete, and easy to read. If your document is blurry or cut off, it could delay verification or require you to upload it again. When everything has been entered and uploaded, click Save. Saving these details allows Etsy to automatically calculate, collect, and remit digital VAT for buyers in Germany where applicable. That can help reduce manual work on your side and keep your shop aligned with Etsy's tax handling processes. Before you leave the page, it's worth taking one final look at all the information you entered. Confirm that your tax number is correct, the Lucy certificate is attached properly, and there are no missing fields. Keeping this section updated is important for compliance and can help prevent issues with selling in the German market. And that's it. You've now updated your Etsy Shop Manager with your German tax and packaging compliance information.